You use a wireless router to share a wired connection to multiple devices like phones, tablets, and TVs. So why not use an existing laptop to do this? You use your phone to connect to the internet using a QR code or manually. This is a laptop running Windows 11. I use it to share internet. Follow these steps. Start. Settings. Network and Internet. Mobile hotspot. Share my internet connection from Ethernet. Ethernet. Share over Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi. Enable mobile hotspot. Disable power saving. Change default wireless network settings. Network name. Wi-Fi password. Brand. Save. Thank you for watching. Good luck. QR code.